The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. This is a report from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, to be broadcast nationally. NASA has detected a complete loss of magnetic poles across the world. Over the past hour, no magnetic poles have been detected, and the magnetic field, if it still does exist, is too weak for NASA instruments to detect. All national safety measures that have been relaxed are to be reinstituted immediately. Evacuations of all areas 1 mile or greater above sea level have now been made mandatory. Individuals with extreme sensitivity to ultraviolet radiation are to move to the nearest underground shelter as soon as possible. Do not venture outdoors during the day unless you are relocating to a more substantial shelter. With the magnetic field potentially completely collapsed, even the night may not provide safety due to radiation emitting from other parts of the galaxy. Cover all skin at all times if you are outdoors. Fires and storms are expected to sweep across the world in the coming days. Take whatever safe procedures are necessary to ensure survival for as long as possible. Please stay tuned for further instructions, information, and updates.
regret to inform that the worst has come to pass. The Earth's magnetic field has been confirmed to have completely collapsed. With this event, there is now nothing to protect the surface from hazardous radiation from the sun. Electrical grids and communications networks are already beginning to fail across the United States and the world. Severe thunderstorms are also present across the world, with extreme lightning emanating from the storm clouds. Numerous reports of urban and rural firestorms have been documented across the globe. The United States has not been able to endure this catastrophe. Your nation's government has collapsed. Federal jurisdiction has been delegated to individual states, counties, and cities for however long is possible. Numerous government personnel have already been lost. As of now, there is no definitive way to survive this event. The best chances for survival are in lower areas of the upper latitudes of the Midwest, Northeast, and Pacific Northwest. However, when summer comes in a few months' time, the bombardment of solar radiation will likely be unsurvivable. Your last call to action from your former government is to persevere as much as possible. While the United States of America may not be able to last through this calamity, the true heart, soul, and memory of this great nation lies within the people that will carry on. This broadcast will cease with one final airing of the national anthem of the United States. God bless the people of the United States, and good luck in the times to come.